In this video, we'll uncover some of the most useful tricks that many users overlook. First, you can add a new section either above or below the current section by clicking the Add Section label. You can choose between adding a blank section or an existing section. When selecting an existing section, simply drag and drop any section from the left panel into your page. For this demonstration, we'll start with a blank section. Simply drag any element and drop it anywhere within the playground to quickly build your layout. Just grab the Resize handles and adjust the element dimensions instantly. You can also rotate elements freely to create more dynamic and creative designs. As you move elements around, the builder automatically snaps them into alignment with nearby sibling elements. Drag an element into a container, and it becomes a child of that container, moving together with it. Drag the element back out, and both will behave independently again. You can easily drag them from one section and drop them into another. When you drag an element from the left panel into the playground, it gets added exactly where you drop it. The same applies to sections. Drag a section from the left panel and drop it anywhere in the playground. This works across layouts and even supports the opposite device view. When editing text, a floating toolbar appears with powerful formatting options. Everything you need is available right where you're editing. Right-click any element to access quick actions, such as copy, paste, duplicate, move forward, move backward, and delete. Edit text directly on the canvas. Once you're done, simply click outside the element or press Enter to save your changes. Copied elements can be pasted anywhere within the playground, including different sections and even different pages. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move selected elements up, down, left, or right. Select any element and press Ctrl+C to copy it instantly. Press Ctrl+V after selecting an element to paste the copied item. Alternatively, right-click anywhere and choose Paste. Select an element and press the Delete key to remove it immediately. Click and drag the arrow icon located on the bottom of a section to adjust its height. Use the first icon in the section control panel to instantly duplicate an entire section. Use the second and third icons in the section control panel to move sections upward or downward within the page layout. To remove a section completely, click the fourth icon in the section control panel. Click the orange settings icon above the header to open and manage header-specific settings within the property box. Elements can be dragged directly from a section into the header or from the header back into any section. Similarly, click the orange settings icon below the footer to access footer configuration options. You can also drag elements from sections into the footer or move them back whenever needed. Click the eye icon at the top right corner of a section to hide that section only in the current view. If you want the section hidden completely, you'll need to hide it separately in the opposite device view as well. And there you have it.